chicken eggs as biopharmaceutical factories. A new frontier in drug production. Scientists are developing a revolutionary method for producing pharmaceuticals inside chicken embryos, essentially turning eggs into miniature drug factories. This approach, pioneered by biotech startup Neon Bio and researchers like Dr. Esther Oluwagbenga, exploits the unique biological environment of developing chicks to create complex proteins and compounds with unprecedented efficiency. The process, injecting life with purpose, the technique involves precise microinjections into the embryo's circulatory system during its earliest stages of development, typically around the third day. Dr. Oluwagbenga, a skilled practitioner, demonstrates the process by injecting a blue dye directly into the embryonic artery using a specialized tube. The embryo's rapid growth and natural protein synthesis pathways are then harnessed to produce the desired pharmaceutical substance. Why chicken embryos? Traditional drug manufacturing relies on bacterial cultures, yeast, or mammalian cells, all of which have limitations in terms of scalability, cost, or the complexity of the proteins they can produce. Chicken embryos offer several advantages. Cost-effectiveness: eggs are abundant and inexpensive. Scalability: large-scale production is feasible with automated incubation systems. Protein complexity: embryonic development naturally produces highly complex proteins, making it ideal for advanced therapies. Speed: the fast growth rate of embryos means quicker production cycles compared to traditional methods. Challenges and future implications: the process requires highly specialized skills, as demonstrated by Dr. Oluwagbenga's dedicated practice, at least twice a week, to master the injection technique. This is a bottleneck for widespread adoption. However, as automation improves, the technology could dramatically reduce drug development costs and accelerate the production of novel therapies, including personalized medicines and rare disease treatments. Chicken embryos are not just a source of food anymore. They represent a radical shift in how we approach biomanufacturing, potentially reshaping the future of the pharmaceutical industry.